What I hear from smaller businesses and marketers is that they feel a little bit overwhelmed with how quickly AI is evolving. And it's no wonder. Marketing has changed more in the past 2 years than in the past 2 decades since the birth of digital marketing and then social media marketing. The truth is, AI is changing everything about marketing: how we write, plan, promote, communicate, research, and even how we connect with our customers, because customer behavior is changing too. It's a lot of change happening all at once. The good news is, if you can learn, embrace, and adapt this technology, there's more opportunity than ever for smaller businesses, solo owners, and marketers to compete on a larger scale with bigger companies. For me personally, I've been able to accomplish so much more with my marketing efforts in a very short period of time, which has allowed me to successfully compete with larger educational institutions for my courses. AI is my marketing partner, and it can be yours too. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, a solopreneur, a coach, or a creator, I designed this course specifically with you in mind to provide a concise and practical introduction to the core types of AI marketing tools and help you create an action plan tailored for your unique business. No tech jargon, no hype, no algorithms, no scary robots, just practical strategies to help you get started with AI marketing. Before we dive in, let me take a quick moment to introduce myself. I've been working in the field of digital marketing for more than 20 years. I'm certified in the field of AI, specifically for digital marketing from the Digital Marketing Institute. I've enjoyed being a marketing professor for more than 10 years. And well, I love this stuff. I love marketing, I love teaching, so this is super fun for me. It's my goal to provide you with specialized AI marketing courses, resources, and education, all centered around the unique needs of small businesses, solo owners, and marketers. I look forward to helping you navigate this crazy new world of marketing and hopefully the new opportunities it will bring you. In this course, we cover a lot of material in a short time, with the goal of helping you quickly create a custom action plan for AI marketing that you can start implementing right away. We'll start with an overview of the types of AI tools and the key marketing tool categories such as social media, content, email, search, and video, with real examples. In Module 3, we'll start the 7-step process to creating your own custom action plan. Next, we'll review the key features to consider when choosing the right marketing tools, specifically for smaller businesses and solo owners. In Module 5, I'll take you through setting up your tools and running a test campaign. After that, we look at some of the best ways to measure the effectiveness of your AI-generated campaign, as well as some ideas for the future you might want to consider for increasing automation in your marketing process. You'll definitely want to stick around for the last module of the course. It's almost a course within a course. I share my process for creating and layering marketing prompt templates that help produce better results. No more cookie cutter or robotic content. And lastly, we'll explore the importance of keeping a human, that's you, involved in the marketing process. Another unique aspect of this course is the companion workbook. I'll refer to specific activities and exercises from the workbook as we progress through each module. This step-by-step guide will help you create a tailored, custom action plan for your unique business. You can download this workbook for free at the link in the description below. Also, to help you get a jump start on your new prompting strategy, and we'll discuss that later in Module 7, I've created a digital marketing prompt pack. It includes a series of strategic-based prompting templates for the 4 core AI marketing areas that we'll be reviewing in this course. You can download it along with the workbook at the same link below. Okay, let's get started. In Module 1, we'll take a look at the differences between AI marketing tools, AI assistants, and AI agents. We'll also look at how AI can benefit small companies for marketing. Essentially, AI marketing is the application of artificial intelligence, of course, to enhance marketing activities and strategies. This includes using AI to analyze data, automate tasks, and automation is a big part of this. It also makes it easier to personalize customer experiences, and it has the potential to drive better marketing outcomes if guided properly. And that's a key part of this. The AI must be guided properly by you. It accomplishes this primarily through AI marketing tools and AI assistants. Of course, by now, you've also heard the term AI agent. So while this course only focuses on AI marketing tools, it's important to understand the difference between these three main types of AI, as the technology will continue to improve and scale at a rapid pace, and marketing applications from AI will continue to advance. So it's good to have a basic understanding of all three. So think of AI tool as something that will help you with a task, while an AI agent does a task for you. You're most likely interacting with AI assistants every day already. Think Alexa or Google Assistant. They are more user-focused and designed to help us with routine tasks to make our life easier, like managing calendars or answering questions or following commands. ChatGPT could be considered both an AI tool and an AI assistant. AI agents, on the other hand, are the highest level of AI in terms of these applications we're discussing and learn from new situations. They can adapt their decision-making over time, all with minimal human intervention. So you've probably interacted with earlier versions of these types of agents. If you've asked a question to a chatbot, perhaps on an online store, and they had an answer pop up instantly, maybe it handled or processed a refund for you, or even upsold a product or service without an actual single human stepping in. So what we're seeing at the time of this video are now larger platforms that create and deploy these types of AI agents. So this example that I have on the screen is Agentforce, which is part of the Salesforce platform. And you're probably familiar with that. And it's been around for a long time. Salesforce has. So this is allowing businesses to build and deploy their own larger AI agents designed to handle very specific and custom tasks across their business areas like sales, marketing, and customer service. So they're not simply AI assistants, but rather agents making decisions and taking actions based on data and workflows that they're actually trained on. So here's another way to look at it, kind of a fun way. Think of ChatGPT or an AI assistant like a vending machine with candy and snacks. We all love candy and snacks, and there are several options to choose from, but you're limited to what you can buy, right? Where an AI agent is like a personal chef with a very impressive collection of recipes, i.e. a vast knowledge base, an ability to understand complex dish requests, that's the natural language processing, and they can learn new meals that adapt to your preferences, ability to learn from historical data. I so want a personal chef now. One other example of an AI agent before we move on. I just want to make sure you understand this. And you may have heard of this platform called Circle. It's a course and community platform, so you can set up your own community. And they've recently launched a new AI feature where you can build your own personalized AI agent that will handle some of the community interaction for you, such as answering questions, guiding your members. It allows you to customize your agent's tone, the tone of voice, behavior, responses, in your own unique brand voice. So again, just another example of how AI technology is advancing and being applied to marketing and communications tasks. Now we move on to the meat and potatoes of this class, AI marketing tools. Unlike AI agents, which work on their own for the most part, AI tools require users, aka humans, to initiate the task and provide detailed input. Some of the most commonly known examples here, of course, are ChatGPT, right? And we do this by entering a prompt, and it generates the outcome for us. Some of the more common uses For AI-generated marketing elements, as you probably know already, include content creation, social media marketing, blog posts and SEO, email campaigns, and video. This list is rapidly growing. In fact, I discover new AI marketing applications almost every day. I really need AI to help me organize all the ideas I have for new videos and new courses because I can't keep up. I can't produce videos as fast as AI is providing new and interesting and helpful marketing tools for us. But I do my best to do that for you and hopefully narrow it down and make it a little easier for you to navigate all of these changes happening in AI marketing. So this takes us to the category of specialized AI marketing tools. Let's first look at some of the benefits before I take you into the tools themselves. What I like about many of the newer AI tools we're seeing is that they cater to the needs of small businesses and marketers who are bogged down with handling all the tedious day-to-day marketing tasks. So for solo owners, of course, it's automation, which frees up your time to handle other aspects of running your business. And we've all been seeing this grow rapidly for social media and content creation. Now, many of the new AI tools are priced competitively, allowing an affordable option for small businesses, and I'll show you more of this later in the class, often less than $50 per month, and in many cases offering a free plan with limited features. And again, we'll talk more about what to look for in selecting these AI marketing tools, but I just wanted to mention to you in terms of price and affordability and accessibility, AI marketing tools are really checking a lot of boxes these days. Now, in some cases, they can actually help you scale up your efforts and possibly grow your business faster than perhaps it would without it. And then the other key area we're seeing is personalization. I think we would all agree that the more personalized your marketing efforts, the better the outcome. A recent study from HubSpot found that 77% of marketers say AI helps them create more personalized content. And this includes everything from product recommendations and dynamic pricing to customized website content and even more hyper-personalized email campaigns. So lots of opportunity here for personalization, and that will continue to evolve. What are some of the marketing tasks that AI tools can help with? We'll get into specific examples in our next module, but I just wanted to give you a quick overview. Branding and visual graphics, customer engagement and support, email creation and management, content creation. And speaking of content creation, it's more than you think. The list really just goes on and on with the areas that AI can help with. Website copy, product descriptions, taglines, video scripts, online ads, case studies, press releases. If you have a chatbot, it can even help you write the script for your chatbot. We know about social media and email. Even recently, another area that I discovered where I think AI is making a big difference is with design. Recently, I created my own website with an AI web builder. I happen to use GoDaddy Arrow, but there are several out there. If you haven't seen my site, you can check it out at aimarketingedu.com. No coding whatsoever. And I'm not a designer. I'm a writer and a marketer, but the ease at which I created this site really reinforced to me what's possible with AI tools when guided properly. Okay, that's it for the introduction. I'll see you guys in Module 2, where we start looking at specific marketing tools.